Friends, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove Coursera from your Google Calendar. And if you would like to know how to add it as well, this is the video for you. So if you have Coursera added to your Google Calendar, how you normally do it is click your profile, go to settings, and then from here you have the calendar sync on the left hand side, and this is where you basically add that calendar, right? So you can easily access your Google Calendar from here as well. If you click Google Calendar, it will take you right over to your Google Calendar. And from here, you can easily find on the other calendars on the left hand side the Coursera. Now, you can uncheck this to, let's say, don't have it sync anymore. To totally remove it, simply click this X and you can unsubscribe from Coursera. So once you click on this, it will give you a pop-up to remove the calendar. Simple click on that and you remove Coursera from your Google Calendar entirely. And that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and remove Coursera from your Google Calendar, guys.